What's the meaning of biodegrade? Biodegrade. Biodegrade.
Biodegrade. Biodegrade. Biodegradation refers to the process by which organic compounds are broken down into simpler, non-toxic substances by natural biological processes. This typically involves the action of microorganisms, such as bacteria, fungi, and other living organisms that break down the complex molecules into simpler ones, such as water, carbon dioxide, and biomass. Biodegradable materials have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their environmental benefits, as they do not accumulate in landfills or cause harm to wildlife. However, it is important to note that not all biodegradable materials are created equal, and some may still have negative impacts on the environment if not disposed of properly.